Hi guys, it's me again. I hope you I hope you all I hope you all enjoyed your days, except for me, of course. You see, guys, there was a blizzard in in my country where I live with my parents. It happened. It happened that night, and the power went out for like a long time, and yeah. As you can tell, everything is almost snowy and it's crazy. And that night when I was watching videos, I just saw a light coming from that pole, and it turns out it was an explosion, and that's how the power went out for like a long time. And the power workers came last 2 nights, I believe, and they fixed it, and the power went back on again. So yeah, and I don't think I can go out and get something to eat because or buy some stuff at one of the stores because of the snow. And yeah. So you guys know, Canadians who live in Newfoundland got stuck recently by the blizzard. Sorry. And it is 2020, and yeah, things just gone crazy these days, and yeah. The snow blowers are still clearing the snow. There was a lot of snow there was like a lot of snow in St. John's, and that's how I got stuck here. But everything is all cleared up now, but except they're still clearing out the snow in St. John's, guys. So yeah. And also in 2020, I'm still gonna continue on with reaction videos, unboxing videos, and a Let's Taste video recently, because I haven't done a Let's Taste video since it's 2020. Yeah. Hopefully everything will be cleared up soon if the blowers cleared the snow out of the way, and maybe someday the rain will come up and melt the snow, so everything will be back to normal, I guess. And yeah. So that's all I have to say, guys. So I hope you guys had a great day, except for me, of course. So subscribe, give the like, and leave the comments, and I'll be okay, guys. I'll be okay. And yeah, don't need to worry about me. Have a great day, guys.